Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this hood emblem on a Mercedes. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you need to pop your hood, locate and open the latch, and this is where you'll find the bottom side of the hood emblem. Now to open this hood emblem, you'll need a pair of pliers. Just take your pliers, place it like that, and just turn it anti-clockwise in this direction. Once you have done that, just push it. Take your new emblem and place it inside the hood. It's like this, so you're gonna place it like that into the hood. Now just turn it clockwise. After turning it clockwise, you are done replacing your hood emblem. Now it's sitting in its correct position. Now you can just put down the hood back.